welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay you guys, so today I'm back with another food recipe which is pretty healthy and quick. So today I'm gonna make the fruit cereal bowl. Alright, so for this recipe we need any of your favorite fruits, your favorite cereal and your favorite syrup. So I have taken Hershey's chocolate syrup, banana, mango and pomegranate and cornflakes and milk of course. So first of all we'll take a bowl and add some milk in it. Okay, yeah, that's it. And then we are going to add the fruits. So here goes banana, mango and pomegranate. So right now I think that this thing is gonna overfill, so I'm gonna add some milk back. Okay, yeah, that's fine. And now I'm gonna add some cornflakes. Okay, this thing is about to overfill. And then some more pomegranate, so it will give a good look to it. And yeah, that's it. Alright, so here is the final product, and now I'm gonna add some chocolate syrup to it. And voila, that's it. Alright, so now I'm gonna give it a little taste test. Oh my god, these things look amazing. Oh my god, this is so good. That is so good. I'm definitely gonna try this again. And to be honest, I made this for the first time and it's so good. Like, you should give it a try. You guys, that was amazing and I feel like you should definitely give it a try at home because it is a pretty healthy and pretty quick recipe. So the chocolate syrup gave milk a little bit of chocolatey flavor and that was so good. So I really hope that you enjoyed watching my video, and if you, so please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So now let's do the swag steps. So 3, 2, 1, go. KanCan do anything. तो मिलती हूँ आपसे मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय.